Seeing a terminated error in Shein's Puppy Keep? Here's a safe and easy method to try on your iPhone to get things running smoothly again. First, open iPhone Settings. Head to your iPhone Settings, then go to General, then iPhone Storage. Step 2. Locate the Shein app. Scroll through your list of installed apps until you find Shein, then tap on it. Step 3. Offload the app. Tap Offload App since this removes the app itself but keeps your personal data intact. Step 4. Reinstall the app. Once offloaded, tap Reinstall App. This can refresh the app and help clear up the terminated issue. Wait and monitor. Still getting the error? Be patient. Some users continue receiving Puppy Keep rewards even after seeing the terminated message. Important disclaimer: this method uses built-in iPhone features to fix common app problems. It doesn't involve any hacking, bypassing, or misuse. It's safe, educational, and fully compliant with YouTube's rules and app terms of service. And that's it. Hopefully this clears up the Shein Puppy Keep issue so you can keep earning those rewards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.